Hey everyone, I've had this laser for a while now and it works great, but I think there are a few improvements I can make. So today I'll show you how I built this height adjustment system. Currently, if you want to adjust the height of the head, it's a bit of a process, not very accurate and a bit fiddly. So I wanted to come up with a design that's fairly simple, lightweight and can be made with the laser itself, so no 3D printing required. After staring at it for a while and taking some measurements, I came up with this wire prototype. It's a little bit flimsy, but I think conceptually this idea might work. It also has the additional benefit of not needing to make any major changes to either the laser or the frame. I designed this model in Lightburn and I'll leave a link in the description below. First I made a cardboard cutout just to make sure that all the dimensions are correct and that it'll function correctly. And then after a lot more prototypes, I could finally assemble and test it out.
Intoxicated, we're automated and overpopulated. Don't you know we're the walking dead, dead. Our lives were meant to be this bleak. Somehow they got into our heads, in our heads. We're wide awake, yet still asleep.
Okay, I think that'll work. Even with the cardboard, it's quite stable. So now I can just cut it out of acrylic and then we're done. But nothing's ever that easy. Having run out of a black acrylic from all my other experiments, I went down to the local hardware store to get some. The new acrylic seemed a bit more flexible and also needed more passes to cut. It also seems to stick to the laser bed. And this is where I realized something is off. I know there's some material loss when you cut, but this seemed excessive, and I compensated for that in the model design. And there's the culprit. My 3mm acrylic is only 2.5. So I updated the model and cut it out again. And now it's too tight. And I broke it. Measuring the insides of the cuts, they seem perfect. But now the outside is back to almost 3mm. What is going on? So turns out the acrylic sheet is thicker on the one end than the other. But it does turn out, if I mix and match the pieces from the multiple cuts, then I can make them fit. So here's the assembled Frankenstein's monster. So this thing then just slides over the laser module. It is a bit of a tight fit. And then the module slides into its rail as per normal. And this little piece fits in the back that stops the screw from screwing around. Then I just stuck the nut at the bottom with some double-sided tape. Reconnect the wires, and this is what it looks like. And in an odd twist, turns out that broken piece is exactly the same height as my laser focus. You would still need to tighten the module with this tightening screw just to limit wobble. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching.